Oh, blow ah, blow ah.
Kaya mo yan.
Blow, blow. Sige pa, sige pa.
Blow.
More.
Sunog yung ano.
Sige, ano i-video mo ka rin.
I-video mo.
Ayan na. Anak, ayun na.
Blow
Sige
na, blow na,
Blow
blow
na. Oh, ayan na.
Sa paso na yun.
One.
Tulungan mo na.
Woohoo! O, ikaw rin na nag-blow eh.
Yeah!
Yay! Snack?
Kasi hindi siya na-
Swiper.
Swiper na swiping!
Oh, open mo na. Dali, open mo na. Open mo.
Bite the cake! Bite the cake!
Okay.
Flip pear. Saan yan?
Mango.
Yes.
Good. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Very
Yes!
good. Grapes. Very
Yes.
good.
What's that?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Very good.
Coconut. Ne, let's count yan. Coconut. Very good.
One by one only. Heart.
Heart. Very good. Square. Very good. Oval. Very good. Diamond. Smile. Smile.
Smile eye.
Very good. Triangle. Very good. Star. Very good. Rectangle. Very good.
Yay!
Oblong.
Hindi pa tapos.
Oblong. Very good.
Last.
Circle.
Smile! Smile eyes.
Very good. Apple.
May check pa kung naka-camera.
Very good.
Stand up eyes. Stand up.
Grapes. Grapes. Style ba yan? Ha? Ganon? Parang model? Coconut. Style nga. Style. Very good. Cherry. Very good. Strawberry. Very good. Apple. Ay, orange. Sorry. Okay, very good. Watermelon. Mango.
Kinis.
Oh, your favorite. Banana.
Yay!
Smile,
Smile!
smile, smile. Oh, one. Baliktad.
Ang tagal.
Very good. Two. Very good. Three. Yes, candy. Very good. Ay, ay.
Wala atang dikit na.
Ito talaga.
Oh, ibigay mo muna yung 4. Number 4 muna.
Four.
Sige, 4 muna. Didikitan namin. Oh, 4. Where's number 4? Very good, anak. Next, ate.
5.
Okay, next.
6. 7. 8. 'Donut.
Wala ka pa. Number 8, anak. 8. Where's number 8?
Donut. Ice. Donut. Donut. Yeah, very good.
Good.
Ice cream. 9.
Sige na,
Number
may dikit
9.
na.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Very good. 10. Pizza.
Yay!
Three.
Very good. O, sige, yung number 3. Nawala doon yung dikit eh. Ah, sige, number 3.
Very
Very good!
5.
Yung 5, nawala yung dikit. Dali. 5.
Lollipop.
Faster, eyes. Isip talaga siya. Very good! Smile, eyes!
Hi.
Yun, may ano yan.
Look here.
Uy,
Ay, naku. Ala na, patay na naman yung candle.
Sige
Hindi pa na?
Bakit ba masyado kayo formal?
Ala, wala nang ano. Wala na. We will sing for song. Ay! Wala. Pag hindi niya cake, gusto niyang i-blow.
Blow, 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 blow.
Blow ulit, blow. Asan yung yung posporo?
Gusto mo nga dyan ulit.
Blow ice, blow ice. Ice, blow, blow, blow.
Gusto ulit.
Oo.
Oh. Init, init.
Ang gulo niyong dalawa eh.
Hat? Oh, sus, yung bata, oh. Wala, wala.
Ganado yung...
Oy, wait, wait.
Dali lang.
Ice.
Uy, isipigil din. Oh.
Kara-kara naman si Miguel.
Ayun na. Happy birthday to Ice.
Ice.
Pesos.
Kiss Lula, kiss Lula, kiss Lula. Kiss Lula. Oh, kiss na si Lula.
Hala.
Wala, may na yung marin. Hindi na ito init.
Hi.
Oh, dali. Ayun si Lula, kiss Lula. Oh,
Picture. Ice picture.
Oh, sige na picture.
Oh, picture dali. Huy.
Oh, kiss mo sa akin, kiss na. Ano na yung box na?
Okay, lagay mo para...
Rice, rice. It's rice.
Init tabi. Very good. Wash ka na lang later. 1, 2, bite. Chicken. Very good. Ay, chicken. 1, 2, 3, bite.
Upload mo kay Ate Audi. Nakita niya
Diyos ko, nagagalit yung face.
One more. Big bite.
Big bite.
Nagutom talaga. Marunong.
Gutom na gutom.
Dapat pala ginugutom ka namin eh. Oh.
Uy, hindi nakain niya.
Oh, ala.
Wow.
Oh, look, mami.
Ay, baka may buto yan, ha?
Baka may buto. Oh, look here.
No, hindi mo na nalusaw.
Di siya lang po ang may bayad, yung bata niyo. Yun na lang, mami.
Play mo si Ana Miguel, baka ma-headback.
Anak, huwag masyado, baby. Ayaw niya na. You dance, dance.
Parang matanda.
Wow, galing.
ano nito. Yung muso. Alright, sige. Position yourselves, guys. Position yourselves. Alright, look at the cameras. Kaya buhat ka ng dito ka na lang, Captain Shakies. Yan. Alright, so ito na. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, may request everybody to please stand up again. And let's celebrate the song for Miguel. Ayan, samahan na natin siya sa special part ng kanyang birthday. Come on, everybody, please stand up. Say happy birthday. Once more, slowly. Happy birthday. Louder, please. More louder. Happy birthday. Alright, happy birthday, Miguel. So, Miguel, before you blow your candle, close your eyes first. Ayan. You open your mouth, close your eyes. Alright. Sige, Miguel, in the count of 3, blow your candle, okay? Sige, ready? 1, 2, and 3.
May he be a God-fearing person, a gentleman, and a loving king. And thank you for all those who came to celebrate this memorable event of our life. And taking extra efforts on all the animals, yung mga nag-costume. Thank you so much. Ang cute ng mga bata. So,
Pagka, kung malaman niya, ay, anong gagawin niya sa dami ng toys, oh? Sige.
Sabi lang kasi crowded na siya.
Kasi mas maraming toys.